Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let's try to understand how to generate circle views chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the canvas of Tableau. Now here, the variables will be bifurcated into two zones. This is the dimension zone. Basically, the dimensions are the categorical variable and this is measures. Measures are continuous variable. So I'll pick up one dimension from here and one measure from here. So sales with subcategory. For multiple selections of the variable, press the Control tab on your keyboard. Drag it and drop it here. Now, you should go in Show Me and activate the circle chart. You can see the chart is ready. Now pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the columns. If you want to change the shapes, click here and you can select any shape you want. So I'll select the circles from here. I'll select the region from here and drop it into the color. You can click on Show Me and you can see that this particular point, which is having a good sales, it is a West Zone chairs. Subcategory is chairs and our sales are represented. And this is the central region where fasteners are there and our sales are 778. If I want to include one more measure, I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the rows. And my chart will be divided into two parts, sales and profit. I can also drop the profit in the size. Now the circle of the size of the circle represents the profit. So if the diameter is more, it represents that the profit is high. And if it is small, it's a loss-making businesses. Still, I can include one more measure from here. I'll pick up the quantity from here. So now we are having quantity, sales, subcategory, region, and profit. So this is all about working on circle views chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you.